Hey, do you want to learn how to use Replit mobile app to generate web apps? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. Over here, I'm on the Replit mobile app and you can see this prompt bar. You can describe a website or app that you want to make. For example, I'm going to make a habit tracker app. And if you do not want to type, you can click here to enable the voice and then you can speak and it's going to transcribe it and put it here. Build a habit tracker app. Then next to the start chat, we've got this pencil icon with some sparkle on it. If I click here, it's going to enhance the prompt like this. And it's going to say all this, the visual references, the core features, style guide. If you want, you can change something inside here, but let's go with this. On the left, we've got this stacked up squares. You can select this icon. And if you're sure what type of an app that you're trying to make, you can select one of these. For example, if it's a 3D game, you can select this. If it's a web app, you can select this last one. If it's an interactive data app, and if it's a modern web app, you can select based on your preference. I think it's a modern web app, but I'm going to go with the auto. Next to this, we've got this paperclip icon. If you click on it, you can upload an image to Replit. And what it's going to do is, let's say, for example, you want to add your own logo on your web app. You can do that. You just need to give that image here. So first, let's click on Start Chat to proceed forward. So let's click here. And there you go. It's currently working and it's going to start designing your web app. All right, our app has been built and I think it took like 2 minutes of working time in order to make it. Now, if you want to keep chatting, you can click here. Or if you want to approve this, you can do it by clicking on this approve plan. So the visual preview, we can view by clicking over here. Nothing is working inside here. This is basically the preview of the app. And if you like it, you can click on approve plan and then it's going to start working again. All right, so the web app has been built. It took a little bit longer because the agent decided to fix the error itself. So we did not have to message the agent to fix the error. It itself fixed it, which is a really great feature. And let's go here on the bottom, computer type icon, click on it. And now we can preview our web app. So I can see here, I can scroll down. I can see all these habits. I can click on this add habit button to add a habit. Change from daily to weekly, category, and create habit. That's it. Our new habit has been successfully created. And there you go. It's on the bottom. So yeah, this is how to create the web app. And I'm also going to show you one more thing. So I'm going to go inside this agent and I'm going to add a logo to it. So I'm going to click here on the first icon, which is a paperclip icon. I've added a logo here. And what I'm going to message it is add this logo on the left of habit flow text. I'm going to click on this submit button. It has started updating the files and there you go. Our logo has been updated, as you can see here in the preview section. And if I click here on the preview on the bottom, you can see here as well that the logo has been updated. And that's it. That's how to use Replit mobile app to generate a web app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you want to learn more about Replit, I've made more tutorials on the right-hand side, including how to use Replit on PC, laptop, and a lot more. So see you there and bye for now.